Okie doke, artichokes. I want you to tell me how the graph compares to the parent function, which is y equals x squared. And then we're also going to state the vertex for each problem as well. Okay, so I'm going to do problem number 1 and problem number 2 with you right now, and hopefully you'll be able to do the rest on your own. I notice inside that I have an x minus 3. Remember that this is going to shift to the right because it's the opposite of what you think. So this is going to be shifting to the right 3 units. And then because of the minus 3 that's on the outside of that quadratic, right, this brings it down 3 units. That's it. Problem number 2. We have a negative out front. So that negative out front is going to reflect over the x-axis. So now it's a frowning parabola, okay? It is going to move, so we've got a minus 4 inside. So minus 4 again is going to move to the right 4 units. And then that minus 3 on the outside is going to shift my graph down 3 units. I asked you also, and I didn't do it, but I'm going to now, if we want to state the vertex. This guy's vertex is positive 3, negative 3, because it's going down 3 units. Problem number 2, vertex is positive 4, negative 3. On problem number 3, you notice that we have 1/2 out in front. 1/2 is going to, I know I told you I was only going to do 1 and 2, but 1/2 is going to make your graph wider. Okay, we have a shift on the inside. That minus, that plus 2 is now going to shift it to the left 2 units, and then the minus 4 on the outside is going to go down 2 units. Its vertex is at negative 2, negative 4. Happy trails, you got this.